What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma TLR Typhon 6S. This is about my third run with the car. But what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do a speed test and let y'all know what I got going on in here, which is too much of nothing. But what I did so far, I added blue lights in the front, red in the back, and color changing lights. Also, I'm running the factory system, but I got a 23 tooth pinion. Everything else is factory. Run that on that wire was right up on the pinion. So there we go. Everything nice and snug. See what speeds I can get out of it. Get into it. Last time I ran this, I ran it on 4S. This time I'm gonna do a 6S pass. But what is rubbing? Oh shit! I had that body wrecked by the time this is over. But like I said, I was running this on 4S the first couple times to get the feel of the car. This is my first 6S run. And what I want to do, I want to get a good feel for it on 6S. So I'm gonna start off on 50%. This case is too much. First pass is 50%. That brake's a little tight there. Whoop-hoo. All right, let me check that speed real quick, see what that was. Yeah, that was 57 miles an hour. Yeah, 57 miles an hour, which is not bad. So my first pass on 50%. Now I'm gonna do a 75% pass, see what that's about. That was not a good pass, but that was a 75% pass. All right, let's check that speed real quick, see what that was. That was 63 miles an hour. Let's give it another shot. All right, let's do 100% now. 63 on 75. Now we're gonna put it on 100%, see what we can get. Actually, that was on 50%, but I'm gonna put it on 100%. I wanna see what I'm gonna get. I could have swore it was 75, but 63 on 50%. Now this is gonna be a 75%. I mean 100% pass. Ah! Yeah, this need a gyro on it, man. Definitely need a gyro. Yeah, I almost lost it there, but let me check that speed real quick. Yeah, that was like 50 something, I think 52, 57, something around that. Y'all see the next screenshot. Yeah, but it dropped speed. I don't understand why, but it's hard for me to keep it straight. That's one reason why. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the speed test because where I'm at is really hard. There's too many cars around, too many cars coming, too many people. Doing a quick speed run. As last video, I added a 23 tooth pinion and factory. Everything else is factory. I put some GRPs on there just to see how it'll hold up off my infraction. Just want to see what speeds I can get with these on there. I dropped it down lower with the droop screws, and I'm not too sure if this is the right way to go. I'm about to test that today. Yeah, I was angled all wrong on that one. Let's see if I can do it coming back. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, it's hard for me keeping it straight at the same time. Let me check that speed real quick, see what that was. Yeah, I like those speeds. That's 68 miles an hour. And I really didn't get to really push on it like that. Whoa. The gyro was kicking in a little too much with all that wobble. But it's trying to keep it straight. I might have to turn that gyro down some. Now let me turn that gyro. Let me take that speed down and turn this gyro down. All right, turned it down to turned it down to 13%. Want to see how she do. Yeah, the battery is going on me now. Damn. All right, let me check that speed. Okay, that was 69 miles an hour. That wasn't bad at all. All right, that's my last pass. I'm gonna check that speed. I almost lost it right there. All right, let me check that speed real quick. Yeah, that was 67. All right, this is gonna be my last one. All these trees and flowers all stuck in there, grass. So they need to cut the schoolyard. Yeah, it was 60 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour, not bad at all, not bad, not bad. But the only thing is, I'm not getting too much power because the batteries wasn't all the way charged. I tried to rush to get out here to do it, and it ain't all the way charged. So it's all my fault. But it wasn't bad. I mean, I could see 70. The right conditions, right battery, 70 plus. 70 plus easy. I should have brought my temp gun. See how hot this is? Let's see, finger touch. Yeah, she's pretty hot. She's pretty hot, so. This is another quick speed test. Got it better than before because I only got a little above 60. I got 68, 69. So, you know, 70 is in it. That gyro is helping out a lot. Whoa. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. It's Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.